Hello, and welcome to this quick overview of how to navigate EnlightenAI as a district administrator looking at your content library. Today, we're going to look at how you can navigate all the assignments that you've created or are currently in the process of creating to make sure all of the content is correct and make sure that it's been shared with the right teachers. Remember, before we get started, you can always tell you're in your district admin view in Enlighten if you click on your icon in the top right-hand corner and you see the option to switch to teacher mode. That means you're viewing as a content administrator right now. Here on the content library overview page, you can see all the assignments that have been created in your content library. You'll be able to see whether each assignment has come from the district level, or maybe it's been created only at the school level, or maybe in some cases it's come from the national level. You can also see the grade, subject, curriculum, and other information here. Crucially, you can see whether the assignment is already active. And in this column where you see data, you can see whether we've already received student submissions on this particular assignment. Remember, if you've already started to receive submissions or if you've published the assignment, you're not going to be able to edit some features of it. Luckily, you can always click clone and edit if you need to, and you can always come here to see draft assignments that haven't yet been published. If you want to edit one of these assignments, you can always click over here on the right-hand overflow menu and click edit. This will bring you into the normal assignment creation and editing screens that you're probably familiar with, where you can edit assignment details, change prompt task descriptions, and make other changes. Notice that once the assignment's been published, you're not going to be able to edit rubrics, so you might need to clone and edit the assignment and then change the new version and deprecate the original. It's up to you. If you need to make changes here to the AI feedback instructions, you can. And lastly, you can come to this organization library page. This is where you have the option to decide what type of assignment should this be published as, what subjects should it be associated with, make changes to the assessment curriculum, grade levels, and also add custom tags that will help your teachers search for this assignment. Lastly, you can scroll down and you can make changes to the audience sharing here to decide which schools within your organization should have access to this assignment. This is crucial for making sure that this assignment ends up being visible to the right teachers. If you're working from the drafts page here and you click edit, notice that you'll still be able to change the rubrics of assignments. From your homepage, if you want to see student analytics based on the submissions that have come in on the assignment, you can just click on the row or click over here and say student analytics. So I'll click in and view this assignment. Here's where I can see rubric score averages, see score distributions, CBM metrics, view my detailed results, download that data if I want to, and come here to view trends and insights, which will show me the strengths, growth areas, and overall themes from the submissions we've received so far. Remember, if you're creating assignments, we've also added features recently to hopefully make this a bit easier for you. When you click Create Assignment, you can start from just one file. If you have curriculum information that you want to import, you can use a bulk import tool to bring in multiple files at once and create multiple assignments in one go, or of course, you can start from scratch. Lastly, don't forget there's now a clone and edit feature, which allows you to create a new assignment from the template of an old one if you have something you want to create that's relatively similar to what you already have. The last thing that we recommend is whenever you're done creating an assignment, you can always click over to teacher mode and then go to browse library. And then you'll be able to see all the assignments that have been published and are visible to teachers. Now, as long as your teacher account has the right permissions, you should be able to see the assignment that you've just created. So this can be a great way for you to view and make sure that the assignment has been published correctly. Thanks. Let us know if you have any questions, and good luck using EnlightenAI.